All right, guys, we got the AceMining. This is their window and siding door security bar. So I'm going to show you something super cool with it. As we come over here, we're going to actually put it into play to show you guys how sturdy and how it works. So we're going to be using it right here. This is going to be the location of it. So it is a security bar, extension bar, and it has a rubber cup to the end. With regards to it, a couple things about it. It's 20.5 to 33.5 inches. From the smaller link side of things, and then 36.5 to 50 inches as it is spread out. Made from high-grade iron tube, and it provides up to 300 pounds of max pressure. Now, in the box itself, you have the user manual. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at it from a user manual perspective, so we can see what we are working with here. It tells you about it, gives you an introduction and everything. Now, with that being said, you can also see on the back on how to use it. So it's all kinds of cool pieces with regards to it there. And then it does show the links of everything right there as well. Now, let's go ahead and get into it so we can see how to put it together. So again, you have the lower side. So adjust the bar link, position the bar track, and test the installation with regards to things. So we're going to make sure we do that here. So let's go ahead and open each piece. This is piece number 1. Here we go. We've got piece number 2. Okay. Just like that. That's kind of cool. And we're able to connect these pieces however far that we need them. Now keep in mind, there is, just so you can make the distance you want to. So for this one, I actually don't need the secondary piece because my door is not that long. So we only need the regular security bar with the end rubber cap. So let's go ahead and get that out so we can take a quick look at it. Right here, this is the end rubber cap right there. And then we are going to screw this on to the end of it. So it does have, as you can see right there, that little section. That's going to be where it screws onto it. So we're going to take and we're going to screw this in on here. So it is going to give me a nice cap to it. There's your bar, just like so. Now, if you can see, you see the spot open up. So as you get into the distances, you can push this and it's going to pop in different distances. So just like that, we're going to take that down and you can go one little baby inch at a time, just like so. So let's go ahead and get here. And as we measure the door, we can see what we're working with. So what I like to do is go here, okay? And then you can take and put it out just like that. So this would be nice. You put it whatever direction you want. This should just set down in the bottom of the track, so they're not going to be able to open it up, which is super important, just like that. So length adjustment for it, and you are good to go. Now, obviously, if you had a longer door, you would make that adjustment. Let's go ahead and show you how that works. Now, what makes it nice is you can take and you rotate this. You can rotate it and push it as far as you want to, which makes it super easy to work with. But let's say we needed to actually install the other piece right here. We can make that happen with no problems. We can go ahead and push this all the way down. And you can see how this will pop in here with no issues. So if I had a door that was on a wider scale, I could actually use this and I could open it up however long I needed to. But in my case, I have a smaller door frame. So it makes it a big difference. Guys, again, goes to that total distance, 20.5 inches to 33.5 inches on an actual opening, which makes it super, super nice and effective. So let's go ahead and open this guy all the way up for my purposes. Get it where we need it to be. Just like so. And then there you have it. I'm able to put this in on the door itself and stop any intruder, so we're not having any problems. Guys, this is the AceMining sliding door window security bar. Definitely got to check it out.